Hello guys, what's up? I'm Patricia. If you're looking for product information on NeuroCalm Pro, be sure to watch this video now. Tinnitus may seem like a trivial problem to others, but for those who actually suffer from it, it can be disastrous. A constant tinnitus or ringing in the ear can disrupt your normal functioning, disrupt your work, affect your thinking, decision-making power, and even your own balance. It is very sad and tiring to stay all the time with tinnitus in the ear, internal pain, and without hearing properly. In addition to affecting our hearing health, it affects everyone around us because it is impossible to maintain a good mood when you are suffering and no treatment works. Today I will talk about my experience with NeuroCalm Pro and how my life changed after purchasing the supplement. Watch this NeuroCalm Pro review and understand why the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know about it. I'm gonna tell everything you need to know about the supplement and help you to decide if it was worth it. So, I also have two extremely important alerts. Pay very close attention to what I'm about to say. The first alert is exactly about the website where you find the original supplement. Unfortunately, with the launch and success of it, many people are selling fake products on the internet with another ingredient, with the same name, causing side effects such as vomiting, diarrhea, and severe headaches. But, according to the manufacturer, the original NeuroCalm Pro is sold exclusively on the official website. It is the only one with a guarantee certificate and that can return your money if there is any problem, with the product ensuring safety and quality. The second alert is an important warning, so that you don't waste your time and money with something that can harm your health. So to help you, I'll leave the link to the official website down below in description of this video. NeuroCalm Pro is an all-natural supplement that helps to improve hearing health. But, before I speak about the ingredients, be aware that they ensure every capsule is made in the USA and a FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards, and their capsules are non-GMO. Thus, NeuroCalm Pro is a very special product that has a unique and powerful formula, with concentrated ingredients composed of rare plants and herbs, like yamdong, Kate black cohosh, oatmeal, peaceful seaweed, and blessed thistle, that have been tested in rigorous laboratories and passed all tests thanks to the completely 100% natural formula. So, many customers are also having amazing results, and if using it correctly, you will soon get the results for chronic ear problems like tinnitus, and finally feel relief and live life comfortably without anything constantly bothering you. All this combined with a special set of therapeutic techniques could effectively help anyone to keep their hearing healthy. The NeuroCalm protocol was the only developed protocol for hearing health in the world that combines the healing powers of plants with the science of soothing sound therapies. Anyone can use it safely immediately, there is no need for doctor's visits or expensive surgery, and it meets the highest standards and uses the latest scientific advances in hearing care. You will have immediate access to the entire NeuroCalm sound therapy protocol. So, the 30-day program of graphic listening sessions and sound therapy sessions that can be accessed immediately from your iPad, computer, or smartphone, you can print the download and listen to it whenever you want. So, yes, guys, you can trust NeuroCalm Pro, but remember the product is very good, but it's not miraculous. Do your part and commit yourself during the treatment, take every day. So, the best results come when you use the product consistently for 3 months or longer. Therefore, I strongly recommend you to take advantage of one of the large packages they offer for maximum results. After all, if at any time you are not happy with the NeuroCalm Pro, just contact them in the first 60 days of your purchase and they will refund you immediately without questions or bureaucracy. But, pay attention, it is clear that each person has results at a different time, because each body acts in a unique way. This will depend on your commitment to the treatment and the way your body will react. If you have any questions, just leave a comment here that I'll help to answer. Again, be very careful about the website that you visit and buy the product from the official website below this video. So if you like this NeuroCalm Pro review, please click the like for more products, and thank you so much for watching. Good luck everyone, see you soon.